In this 2-minute tech talk, I'll show you how I converted this retro headset into a sleek, futuristic wireless phone. No matter how many movies I see or how many books I read, there's always two things that come to my mind when anybody says the future. The first is the ball chair. The second is the Ericofon. Throughout my entire life, I've been shown that the Ericofon is used by diabolical masterminds and people from the future. In an episode of The Twilight Zone called Third from the Sun, we see a race of people who we assume are Earthlings, but there's something a little off about them and a little futuristic. We later find that they are not on Earth, they're from a totally different planet, and they're actually coming to Earth on a flying saucer. The movie In Like Flint, used by the female villainess, and Orson Welles used it in the comedy Casino Royale. In my other video, I converted it to a Bluetooth headset using this device here. So I set out to make this a totally cordless phone. I had this off-the-hook phone from Brookstone. You can still find these on eBay as well. So after I finally got it open, I then opened up the Scandi phone and took out its innards. I was able to put everything back inside. I now have a working cordless Ericofon, or at least a knockoff. If you want to see how to use the cell to jack, take a look at this video over here. If you want other projects like this, I invite you to check out my Patreon. And if you prefer longer videos, then I invite you to check out my main channel, The High Tech Nomad. Until the next time, this is Orman Beckles, The High Tech Nomad, signing out.